Hi guys, welcome to another episode of my relocation from Nigeria to Canada. Okay, so in the last episode we spoke about things you need to do before searching for schools in Canada. Like I said, I am an international student currently doing my master's here abroad, and I'm here to share with you if you are the type of person that needs to know the things that you need to do before starting to search for admission here in Canada. And in the last episode, I said I was going to talk about what is the difference between thesis route or course route. So that is what I'm going to be expatiating more in this episode. So I explained to you that after you have already compiled all the list of the universities abroad, maybe for your funding or the ones that are cheap, depending on whatever you're looking for, you need to determine maybe you want a thesis or a course. So what is thesis-based masters? Thesis-based masters means that you're coming to a department in the university abroad and you're coming to do a research, meaning you're coming to write project. That doesn't mean you're not going to do some courses. You do some courses maybe for a year, like my kind of program. That is what I am doing, and I will go more into the details soon. And the other one is course-based masters, meaning that you're coming to a university abroad and you're just coming to do courses, meaning you're not doing anything research at all, right? And there is, I wouldn't say pros and cons to this, but I would say there are differences between this thesis and this course. So for thesis based, after you've already told them that you're coming to do your thesis, means that you're going to be doing some courses and you're going to be doing research, the school is going to be giving you a scholarship funding. I know these might be different for different schools in abroad, but the one that I apply to, the moment you are coming to a thesis route, it is an automatic funding, and there is a requirement, and the requirement is a minimum of 2-1 or first class. If you have a first class, if you have 2-1, you are eligible to gain or to get funding in the universities abroad. And for the one of that course means that you are going to come here and you are paying them. You have your money, you just need them to give you course. So you're coming to pay them. They are not giving you funding. They are not giving you any scholarship. These are the differences between these two. So it depends on whatever you determine to choose on your own. Like I said, I always have people that always ask me different kind of questions on LinkedIn. So I met this person on LinkedIn and he sent me a message asking that he applied to school. My school particularly, actually. My school is Memorial University of Newfoundland. He sent a message to me saying that he applied to the university, my university, and he didn't secure a lecturer. I was like, yes, that is course. That doesn't mean they won't give you an admission, but you are the one paying. Right? So that is the differences between a thesis and a course. Now I'll be talking more about a thesis because that is what I am currently doing. So what is the very first thing you are going to do? After you have already gotten the university of your choice, go to their website. As for mine, type Memorial University on your search bar as always and go to their website. On the website, you should determine the department that you want to go. Click on the department of your choice, and in that department there is going to be, in the menu bar, there's going to be something like about, there's going to be like becoming a student, there's going to be something like lecturer or professors, depending on whatever they put there. If you click on becoming a student, you're going to see all the requirements that you need. And this is useful for the course-based people. When if you click on become a student, it's going to show you all the requirements, all the documents that you need to upload to the school website or to the school mail that will make them start working on your admission process. But if you are coming for a thesis route, don't click on becoming a student first. Search for the departmental professors. That is very important. If you are gaining something, please click on the like button and the subscribe button so that anybody that is looking for schools abroad or searching for scholarships abroad can always have access to this video. Like I was saying, if you're coming for a thesis based course abroad, you have to go and search for a lecturer first, meaning your potential project supervisor. Remember, you're coming here to write a research, so you need somebody to supervise you, right? And when you get to that list of those lecturers, somebody would at least attract you. And what does it mean to get attracted to a lecturer is based on interest. That department you're going, that research you want to write about, there is something called interest. What are you interested in doing? In my case, I am a literature student. I am interested in African literature. So I am interested in any lecturer that is in that niche, let me use that word, that is in that aspect. So from there, the next thing you're going to do after you have already gotten a lecturer that interests you, you go ahead. Their mail is always in that website or on that website. Pick up their mail and send them a direct mail. And what is it going to be in that direct mail? If you have any question in this area, please feel free to ask me that question. I'm going to expatiate more on it in another video, right? So these are the steps at which you need to go through before you need to get admitted into a school. And after all these things are done, now we are going to an official start. And before I go into that official start, that's going to be in my next episode. So stick around here because I have a lot of information to share. And don't forget to like and to subscribe and comment. Ask me any question. I'm going to answer them. On to the next episode. See you guys.